This is an addition that we're doing over on 24th Street. We usually don't do additions, but these guys were great clients and we built their garage apartment about 5 years ago. We're in the mechanical stage. But meanwhile, we're also replacing their window sashes. So this is a kit that you buy from Jeld-Wen windows through our friends Grogan's over on Yale. And basically, you take out the ropes and the little stops, and you take out the old window. You add some clips, and then it makes a sash kit that you're able to put the new window back in. Then when you get through, you come back and put a piece of trim on the inside of it, and you've got new windows, but you're not having to redo the trim inside your house or the outside and repaint. So it's minimal work to be able to replace the sash. These do cost about the price of a regular window, but again, you're not having to repaint or redo your trim. I think we've got about 14 windows to redo. They have a video on Jeld-Wen's website to be able to replace these, but I thought it was kind of cool.